안녕하세요. Welcome back. Friendly Kajima here. I have so many plums right in front of me here, and as you can guess, I'm going to show you how to make a plum extract. What is that? Actually, this is the common question I've got it from the people who are interested in Korean cooking. So what is that? Even in Korea, specifically from the 6th of June till 25th of June, actually, this is the right time just to buy the plums and we can make the plum extract. Even as a joke, we are saying there's no sugar at the market because all the ajumma got that sugar for making plum extract. Very interesting, isn't it? So if you're curious about it, please stay tuned. Simple ingredients today: maesil, plums, and sugar. So when you prepare, actually you need to have the exactly same amount of each items, which means if you have like a 5 kgs of plums, then you need to prepare 5 kgs of sugar. I have some red plums here. I know it looks like more green than red, but still we call it 황매실, which means red plums. Some of it already started got some red color on it, they started ripe. But a lot of people, when they make a plum extract, they use the green plums, which is unripe. So that gives more sourness, and with the ripe one, personally, I feel like it gives us like a more deep flavor of the plum and also the sweetness. So even with a small amount, it's very sweet and I think it's nice. So the first step is just to wash the plums. When you wash it, we need to do it gently so the plum doesn't get damaged. So the damaged plum can cause mold. This is very hard, by the way. You hear it? So we'll wash like 3 times. When you get plums on your hand when washing, then just rub it gently like this. So that's how you can wash the plums. So as you can see, after 3 times of washing, looks like the water clean. So 3 times of washing should be okay. So the first batch they are done, I will do the rest of it. So this is like a 10 kgs of plums. So I washed it, removed the stems, and I completely dried out. So now I'm gonna show you how to remove the stem. Look at the plum. You can see there's like a little black thing right here. That is a stem or stalk, whatever you can call. So we're gonna remove this. If you keep this, then it will give you the bitterness on your plum extract. Just use the sharpened object. I'm using a toothpick. Also, you can use a pen. Prick and just lift it up. So it will be removed in this way. It was fun doing it. We need to dry out plums completely, so there shouldn't be any water or the moisture when we make plum juice. Otherwise, it will become moldy. So how you can get a good plum is, just check for the conditions. So there shouldn't be any damage on plums, and also the surface should be very hard. So another thing, if you can hold like a 3 on your hand like this, so that is the right size. So I have one big plastic container here. You can have the glass one, even the jar, that is the best. Jar is breathing itself, so it is really good for the fermentation, right? So now we gotta put all the plums into it, but before that you gotta make sure your container also completely dried up, so there's no moisture. So we're gonna put it layer by layer. Oh my gosh, so I have one layer with plums now. Then I'll make another layer with the sugar. On top of it, just put it. So after sugar, you can put some more of plums. So this is like 6 kgs with plums and 5 kgs with sugar. We need to cover the top with the sugar just to avoid contact with the air. So I need to put another 1 kg with sugar. I'll use that for. So I can put half of this, so maybe this much. I'll just cover it. Try to cover the plums with the sugar. So look at the bottom here. I still have some space, but I didn't fill up all the way up to the top right here. It's because during fermentation, actually for the first few days, the plums will generate the gas. For the first 3 days, I will not use this lid. I will just use another cover. It should be airy cotton cover or the paper. So this is a little small, so I will just use this red one right here. Then just use the rubber band or any strings, you can just tie it up. It can prevent from any foreign substances. We are done making plum extract. It was interesting, right? So you can keep this container in a shady area. So it doesn't need to be completely dark, but still you can have a little light. If ventilation is good, then that will be better. So plum extract has a lot of benefits. It is good for indigestion and also very good for fatigue. So when you are tiring, then just put some plum extract and then melt it in the cold water, drinking it, then you will feel very refreshing, right? So that will be so good. So you can use this plum extract after 3 months, but the best period to serve will be after a year. So after 3 months, you can start to use. So I hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today. And if you liked it, please just subscribe to my channel and press the like button for me. So I will come back with nice recipes. So I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you everyone.